we can see the combination of vowels and consonants. Okay, vowels and consonants. We can easily write. Okay, we can easily write, but the word is we have to pronounce it and write. Then only we can speak and learn. Okay, we can speak and learn and write. Okay, these are called, the combination of vowels and consonants is called Baragadi. Okay, it is called as Baragadi. Baragadi. This is called as Baragadi. Okay, the combination of vowels, the combination of vowels and consonants, the combination of swara and vyanjans, swara and vyanjans. Baragadi, for that we have to write, if we put a dash here, this is called ik. Okay, we can put here small dash, this is called ik. Okay, ik plus a. Yeah, ik plus a equals to ka, equals to ka. Okay, here combination of vyanjan and combination of swar. Okay, combination of consonants and vowels mixing. Okay, combination of these letters, ik plus a, ka. Then ik plus a, ik plus a is called ka. Okay, we have to put a line here. This is ka, this one is ka, this one is ka. The next one is ik plus e, ik plus e, this is ki, this is ki. The next ik plus e, ik plus e is ki, ik plus e is ki, ik plus e equal to ki. Then ik plus u, ik plus u, ku. We have to put towards this direction, towards this direction. This is called ku. Then the next one is ku. Okay, the next one is ku. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku. The next one is ik, ik plus re, ik plus re. That is crew, that is crew. Okay, that is crew. The next one, ik plus re over and ik plus a, ik plus a, k, ik plus a, k. Then ik plus I, ik plus I, kai, ik plus I, kai. And next one is ik plus o, that is ko, that is ko. Then the another one is cow, cow. Ik plus equal to come. Okay, equal to come. This is kah. Okay, this is kah. Like this we can write. Okay, like this we can write all the. Okay, we can write all the vyanjans like this and pronounce like this. See, this is ik plus a. Okay, ik plus a gives ka. Okay, ik plus a gives ka. The next one is ik plus a. Okay, ik plus a gives ka. Ik plus a gives ka. The next one is ik plus e, that is key. The next is ik plus e, that is key. The next one is ku, ik plus u, that is ku. The next is ik plus u, that is ku. The next one is ik plus ru, re. Okay, ru, re means kr. Okay, all this we have to pronounce like this, kr, sru. Okay, pru, tru. Okay, like this we have to pronounce these combinations. Next one is ik plus a, that is k. Ik plus I, kai. Ik plus o, ko. Then ik plus au, cow. Okay. The next one is ik plus come. The next one is ik plus aha, kaha. Okay. We can use any letters. We can use any vyanjans here, and then we can pronounce like this. Okay. These are the combinations of vowels and consonants. Is it clear? Understand? We have already seen only one letter for Barakadi. Okay. Now let us see another two letters for Barakadi. You watch this. Okay. How I am going to write. See, the first one is cha. The second one is cha. Okay, cha, cha. The next one is chi. The next one is chi, chi. சரியா? Okay, cha, cha, chi, chi. This is chu. The next one is chu. Okay, cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu. The next one is chru. The next one is che. Okay, the next one is che, chai, cho, chow, cham, chah. Okay, see, cha cha, chi chi, chu chu, chru, che, chai, cho, chow, cham, chah. See the next. Ta, ta, ta. The next one is T, T. Two. Okay, two, two. True, true, true. Tay, tie, toe. Okay, toe, tow, tum, tah. Okay, tata, tt, tutu, true, tay, tie, toe, tow, tum, tah. See, next we can write for ta lines. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, true. See, true. Te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. Okay, tata, titi, tutu, tru, te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. The next line is pa. Pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu. Here see, pru, 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 pe, pai, po, pau, pam, paha. Okay, see, papa, pi, pu, pru, pe, pai, po, pau, pam, paha. Like this, we can choose any letter. Okay, we can choose any letter and we can use this. Okay, we can use these rules and we can write easily. Okay, we can write easily and we can pronounce it. See here, cha cha, chi chi, choo choo. Okay, choo choo, true, che, chai, cho, chow, chum, chah. Okay, vowel sounds. Okay, vowel sounds mixing of consonants. Vowel sound mixing of consonants. See, tata, titi, tutu, true, te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. Okay, wow. The next one is ta lines. I have written the ta lines. Tata, titi, tutu, true, te, tai, to, tau, tam, tah. Okay, see here, papa, pi, pu, pru, pe, pai, po, pau, pam, paha. Okay, we can spell also like this and we can write also like this. Is it clear? Understand? Easy to write. Okay.